New products can go live before marketing knows. Ask Sidekick to alert your team when a product becomes active. Sidekick drafts a flow that checks for active status and emails your marketing team the product title, handle, and admin link. Replace staff at example.com before you turn it on. Open the draft in Shopify Flow and walk through each step. It starts when a product status is updated. No extra trigger setup is required. The condition checks that the new status equals active, so drafts and other statuses are ignored. On the true path, Flow sends an internal email with the product title, handle, status, and a direct admin link. Swap in your real team inbox first. Review the workflow, then turn it on. Confirm in the Modal to activate the automation. Once active, your marketing and merchandising team gets an alert every time a product goes live, so campaigns and collections stay in sync.